Hey there everyone, welcome back again to another tutorial on PTC Creo Parametric. In this video, we will be talking about PTC Creo Revolve tool. I'm your host Pritam and you are watching Engineering with Pritam. Let's get started. Okay, now here we are in our computer screen and here you can see I have already opened Creo Parametric. I'm going to click here on new, going to select part and going to keep a file name and template as default, as we already have pre-configured all the settings. If you want to know how you can permanently set up all your settings in PTC Creo Parametric, then check out the video that I have added in the description of this video. Now coming back to our topic, which is Revolve tool. Just like Creo Extrude tool, Revolve tool also offers a dual purpose. Dual purpose means you can not only add material using Revolve Command or tool, but you can remove material as well. So now let's have a look how we can utilize Revolve tool here. So what I'm gonna do here is, you can see all my datum plane, and I generally like to enable datum tag display so that I can see the name of datum. And if I click on sketch, and let's start with creating sketch first, and here let me quickly create this rectangle. And I also would like to create this kind of shape, which is kind of groove. And then we need to add center line, which is kind of prerequisite. Nowadays Creo do not need it, but still I have added it. Now what I'm going to do here is, I will go here in model tab, and then here you will find this Revolve tool. Just click on that, and here you can see it is asking us to select sketch or create sketch. I'm going to select the sketch that we have created, and you see the beauty of software, it automatically have detected the axis and have created this Revolve tool. So this is, I would say, one of the way how you can utilize a Revolve tool. Now I do also have some example, so let me actually open those examples to understand Revolve tool in detail. So this is another example. Here also we can see we do have this sketch available. And if I click on revolve, I just need to select the sketch, and there we go. Here we can see we have completed this revolve. But what if I would like to revolve this sketch not toward this by default axis, but toward this axis? For that, I can again click here on revolve, and just like extrude tool, we can go to edit definition, and now here you can see in placement tab we have got this axis. Now I'm gonna click here, and then I can actually select this axis instead of that one, and there we go guys. We have changed our axis, and now we can see our sketch revolve around this axis. Now let's again go back and select another one, and now what I'm gonna do here is, I will revolve this sketch as well. So let's again click on revolve, and there we go. Now let's say I would like to create this revolve as a cut. So again, let's go to edit definition, and this time I'm gonna click on remove material, and there we go guys. Here we can see we were able to remove material this time instead of adding new material. Now we also have got this one more sketch left. Let's click here on revolve, and you can see that since the whole sketch was intersecting the solid part, Creo is smart enough to observe it, and then it offered us a remove material way. And it's actually up to us whether we want to do 360-degree revolve, or we would like to make it 90. So based on our need, we can revolve object, and then we also have option. For example, here what we have chosen is, we want to remove material which is inside this sketch. But what if I would like to remove material outside this sketch? So I can actually flip this arrow, and now what you will see is the sketch that we have created, that only area now left. So this was also another use case scenario of revolve. Now we have got this example as well. So let's again click on this sketch, and now I'm gonna click on revolve, and now here I can select this axis, or I can also select another axis by clicking here. Let's select this one. Now when I select this one, you can see that I'm not able to select this axis, and the reason for that is, if I select this axis, it is actually going beyond this, which means that you can only create this feature if the axis is either at endpoint or is at certain offset. And I'm going to show you with the help of another example. Let me quickly create a use case here. So again, let's click on revolve this time directly, and here now I need to create a sketch. So this is the sketch. Now if I click OK, and if I try to select this Z plane, I can see that I'm not able to do that. Let's again go back to insert, because we already have crossed the Z plane. If I make it like this, now click OK. Now if I select the Z plane, I will able to create this revolve. Okay, and this time, since this sketching plane was not meeting at Z, that's why we can see this gap. If you want to create solid, then we can make it 0, and now you will see there will be solid revolve. So in this way, guys, you can utilize it. And then again, just like extrude, here we also have got this thickened sketch option that going to make this revolve as a thickened feature. And to see it, what I can do is I can create this section view, and there we have it. Here we can see we have created this revolve as thickened part. So thicken is also possible inside revolve tool. And then not only thickened, but as I said that you can actually define how much you want to revolve. And it may be possible that at one side you would like to revolve 125 degree. What about other side? So we can again go here to option, and just like extrude, we can define the value how much we would like to revolve. So in this way, guys, we have seen various way or various aspect of revolve tool. You can create sketch first and then use revolve tool. You can use revolve tool as extrude. We have seen multiple way by changing the axis how the sketch behaves. And we also talks about some of feasibility. For example, if you cross the sketch from the axis, then it will not revolve. That's all, guys, from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then do like and subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow complete series on PTC Creo. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.